Good morning guys, and welcome back to another ride. As you can see, I'm in the sunny South Africa for a little bit of holiday, and I've managed to organize myself a nice V8F 16-inch unicycle from the guys at IROLL.co.za. They are based here in Cape Town in Tableview area. So if anyone is ever keen to rent or loan or demo ride one of these wheels, they've got quite a nice range as well. This is one of their demo units that I managed to hire or loan, and it's just the service has been great from these guys. So super happy to be able to have a wheel here in South Africa, and also super happy to be able to ride it. So I'm very lucky that there's very little problems here. You know, the police and the traffic traffic officers are very lenient, because they do quite a lot of electric bikes and electric scooters, and they also do hire out of the EUCs. But yeah, so if you're interested in getting a wheel or using a wheel here in Cape Town or South Africa, check out the guys from IROLL.co.za. I will put their links and all the information down below in the comments, so you can go and check them out, bookmark them. So if you're ever in Cape Town and you're in need for a ride, check them out. But in today's video, it's just going to be a first ride on the V8F. As you can see, this one is white on the side, and I actually quite like that. They actually use this wheel in a movie shoot, and that's why it's wrapped in white, and it is actually really nice. I really like this. So yeah, I'm just gonna get out, go for a little ride, get familiarized with the wheel, and then I will give you guys a more of a in-depth overview and review of how I found this wheel, because I'm gonna have it for about 2 weeks. And yeah, super happy so far. I did a quick little ride yesterday afternoon in the street, and it's a really nice nimble wheel, way different to my Sherman. 16-inch wheel, so I'm going to probably compare it to the 16X that I had for a few weeks. I know it's by far not the same wheel, but yeah, it's going to be something that I compare it to. Okay, so let's get going and go for a ride. The sun is out. The southeasterly wind is pumping, so let's get going. So just off the bat, the wheel's pedals is really wide and very comfortable. Let's go down here on the beach. Make a little ride here. Super nimble. Let's get going. Okay guys, I'm really enjoying this little ride. I'm just basically getting out and exploring, just getting a feel for the wheel. The town is really busy, all the kids going to school and whatever, so just to make sure I don't get hit by cars and stuff. And it's super windy, so I might just cruise down here, just get a feel. But yeah, this wheel is like really skinny and light. Totally different to any any other wheels that I currently own, except for the M10-3. M10-3 is really light, but it's a very tiny wheel compared to this one, where it's actually a nice size wheel. The side pads comes next to your calves, so it's really comfortable, and it's nice and soft as well. It's a soft, squishy rubber. That's very nice. I'm not going to give everything away while I'm riding, but it's light. It's like nimble. I think it's a 512 watt-hour battery, so it's super light. And it's very nippy. Big wide pedals, very maneuverable. Yeah, very nice ride. But yeah, let me give you guys some quick feedback about my the baggage. The baggage eventually arrived, and that is with all the helmets and you know, my wrist guards and everything, and my clothing. So I've got some extra clothes to wear. I can change it up a bit, and shoes as well. So I didn't have any. I only had the shoes that I flew with. So and they were not. They didn't have enough protection for my liking, for riding on the wheel. So yeah, I'm happy to be in my Vans. So if I do step off, I can slide it out a bit. I don't have any elbow pads or knee pads here. It's just we ran out of space in the thing. But I've got my wrist guards and I've got my full gloves as well. But I'm going to take this slow. I'm going to probably cruise up to about 15 to 20 miles an hour. This is the max of the wheel in any case. So yeah, just have some fun, man. Enjoy a bit of the sunshine. Okay, let's get going. But yeah, the bags and everything arrived 4 days later. So if you check my Instagram, that is pretty much when I just got the bags, and then I also managed to organize the wheel. So the wheel was organized, and super happy with it. So nice to be on the wheel in short sleeve t-shirt and baggy shorts, because I feel a little bit like Duff in Florida. So very nice, very nice. Okay guys, but this is going to be the end of the video. I'm going to put some ride footage at the end as well, so you can enjoy. But this is going to be me finished. So you watch out for more videos of riding on the V8F, and then I'll take you guys along. So I hope you enjoy a bit of sunshine riding and some feedback about this V8F, and if you should buy one, if you are a beginner or a mid-skilled rider. Okay guys, you have a lovely time. I'm going to go and grab some breakfast, and then I will speak to you again. Stop. Woo. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Cheers guys.
It's passing so fast that you'll